What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And if you are brand new here, my name is Matt Wacek and I do a lot of pay-per-call affiliate marketing as well as own a digital marketing agency. My channel is all about primarily pay-per-call affiliate offers and digital marketing for clients and basically just digital marketing entrepreneurship as a whole. So if you like this type of content, make sure you go down below and smash that subscribe button. Now for today's topic at hand, I had mentioned using Craigslist as a traffic generation method to run traffic to pay-per-call affiliate offers, and a lot of you guys had requested how to go about doing this, and this is something that I think is probably the absolute cheapest way to get started when it comes to affiliate marketing. You do not need to build an audience. You don't need even a website at this point. All you need to do is be able to type. So you could probably do this on your phone if you really had wanted to, as long as you have access to the email account that's synced with the Craigslist account. And a bunch of you guys had requested that I do this, so I decided to apply to a new offer and basically do a start from scratch type of case study here for the channel. So I applied to an offer in the plumbing niche with the affiliate network that I work with, and it is exclusively for Craigslist traffic. So that's why the join date is 9/4/2018. So we're gonna look through the rules that they have, because every single affiliate network works a little bit differently. Make sure you read the fine print, read the rules on their traffic, and basically all the things that will affect how much money you can make, you need to be aware of when it comes to the offers that you're promoting and the networks that you are working with. So the description on this one is this campaign is for callers looking for plumbing, drain cleaning, just all plumbing related things. And then for a payout, it is any duration over 90 seconds, $16, and all the creatives, just pretty much standard procedure for most of the offers that you're going to see. But here's something that you definitely need to be aware of, especially if you're doing Craigslist, where the whole goal is simply just lead generation. It's not really to get someone to your website necessarily, but really make sure that you are aware of these types of keywords that they do not want you to use, they being the affiliate network. So free estimate, free service, free consultation, that sort of thing. So now moving down here to the hours of operation, it is 24/7. And for every qualified lead that we bring, that will generate $20 in revenue. Not bad. Now hop over here to Craigslist. I'm going to do this offer. We're going to start it in Minneapolis. So first things first, what we're going to do is go grab a phone number. And I've actually already started with the phone number, but I'll show you the process of doing this. Most networks are going to use Invoca or Invaca, however it's pronounced. So the process of getting your phone numbers to use in your ad creatives is essentially the same. Click new promo number, and you could do a toll-free number. I like the idea of maybe doing toll-free on a website if you're doing a national branded website, such as something super general like waterdamagerestorationpros.com or something like that. If you're doing an offer that is more localized, you're going to want to have a local phone number. So the media type is going to be coupon discount site, and we're just going to type in St. Paul and see what it types out. Oh, it's not even on there. So we're going to do Minneapolis and just going to type that in. So from here, we select the area code. And one thing you want to be aware of when you are selecting an area code for your affiliate offers, make sure you use the right area code for the cities that you're working in. For example, this 715 area code is Wisconsin. Minnesota and the Twin Cities is right next door to the border to Wisconsin, but someone in the West Metro that's 60 miles away from the border sees 715 and they're thinking, okay, this company's in Wisconsin. That's not very close, actually. 534, I actually don't even know where that area code is. 320 is a little bit north of the metro. 507 is going to be down to the south. 608, honestly don't even know. But 218 is very far up north. We're talking like 2 hours away from the metro area. So I'm actually going to grab this 218 area code and use it for offers that are further north of the metro area. And now the phone number has been created, and so there we go. So what we're going to do though right away is I already had created a 763 metro area phone number. I'm going to copy it and just paste the phone number in the document. That's where we're going to write out the text and then just copy the text and put it right into the Craigslist ad, because I highly recommend saving all of the content that you use for your ads, so that way you can change them easily, intermix them and that sort of thing, because obviously Craigslist does not want you to be using duplicate content. I've actually used a lot of Craigslist ads for my landscaping business back when I was getting started, before I had website and doing SEO and all that sort of stuff. I had very little money to spend when it came to advertising, and Craigslist was free, so that was the method I had used right away to get the ball rolling. And I'd actually generated tens of thousands of dollars of revenue from Craigslist. So now let's hop over to Craigslist and then create an account, so that way you can manage all of your ads all in one spot. And then we're going to create our first ad. And then so we're going to now come back to the homepage after logging in and just click post. And we are going to do Hennepin County. For the areas that you are targeting, make sure you understand the geographical areas of it. There's nothing worse than seeing someone with a Las Vegas business and a Las Vegas phone number advertising in Madison, Wisconsin. No one's going to go to that website. No one's going to click on that ad. It's just totally not relevant and it's not going to work. So now we're going to select the category. And this is a new thing that Craigslist had rolled out earlier this year with having to pay to post an ad. It's only $5. So you consider what you could pay per click with AdWords or buying even just one PBN plus the hosting and all the stuff that goes along with it. This is really cost effective, especially because one qualified lead would basically be a 4x return on investment for one ad. And another thing with this is that it really cuts back on a lot of the spam that would show up on these listings. And it also shows the consumers that are looking through, because chances are they are aware that you have to pay to post on here. Shows that your brand is serious with generating traffic and generating phone calls. So I'm going to go to just small business ads, and we're going to go right here. So next thing that I like to do before running an ad on here is just go and essentially funnel hack, if you will, what the competition is doing with their headlines to get people to call. So we got this one here, plumbing, painting, so it's handyman, everything. We want to do something that's more specifically plumbing related. So we're going to do this one here. We'll take a look at this guy. So this will give us kind of an idea of what to do with our ads. So we're going to do full service plumbing, repairs, maintenance, installation, Twin Cities Metro, and we will do 55401 for the zip code because that is downtown Minneapolis. So we're basically centrally located. Now, phone number, we're going to grab that right now. Extension contact name, we'll do that. We'll just do only by phone. And we're not going to do information or location info because this is a service business that travels to its customers. Also, we are doing a pay-per-call affiliate offer, so there is no location for any customer to travel to. So I'm just going to copy all of this text here from our Word document and paste it into the ad. And with Craigslist, simplicity is really what absolutely does. There were points in time where I would actually do HTML, making the bold text and all of this stuff and changing color and whatever else with the font, trying to make it stand out, and it didn't do anything. Whereas back in the days with my landscaping business, and I had competitors who I knew, and I would talk to them about their ads, and they would have words misspelled and this and that, and they still absolutely killed it. So really the goal with this type of ad is just simple text will win every single time. So basically laying out the service, what it is. You want to have your phone number in there several times. So that way the person scrolling through never has to scroll too far to find the phone number to then call and then hopefully turn into revenue for your business. So basically just shows a little bit of trust building and a little bit of background, this and that. And again, this is just a listing for a brand that doesn't technically exist, and it's just driving traffic, so we can't get too personal. We can't say we've been in business for 25 years, this and that. So that's the downfall with this. But if you look through any of the other ads, you'll see that there are lots of other types of ads that are very broad and general, and they still are getting the job done. So we have a pretty good looking ad now, and I'm just going to leave it without images for this point in time and just kind of let the text do the talking, so to speak. And we'll check back in with this ad in a few days and see how things are going, and then adjust as needed, because that's what advertising and doing affiliate marketing, doing any type of advertising for any business, whether it's your own business or for a client's business or for affiliate offers, that's what it's all about with advertising. Just testing, seeing what works, repeating what does work, and closing off what does not work. So there we go. We now have started a Craigslist ad campaign for an affiliate offer that is exclusive to Craigslist traffic. Hopefully this helps you guys with getting started with affiliate marketing. And it is a slight bummer that you do have to pay a little bit of money as opposed to it being 100% for free. However, it did cut out a lot of the spam which you'd have to deal with, and really the spammers would just post listing after listing after listing after listing, and you'd have to be constantly watching and renewing yours at every single opportunity that you got because there were just so many new listings being posted. Now that is not so much the case anymore. So anyways, if you guys got some value out of this video, be sure to go down below and hit that like button. Also, if you like this type of content and you want to stay up to date on the journey and learn more about pay-per-call affiliate marketing, building a digital marketing agency, and just digital marketing entrepreneurship as a whole, be sure to go down below, smash that subscribe button, and click the bell for notifications so that way you know when the newest content is live. So my name is Matt Wacek. Thanks for checking out my channel, and I will see you in the next video.